How to sell online even if you have no list, using free Facebook traffic. Do you want to sell online using free Facebook traffic?
Yes, I do. Show me how?
You can find out how in the 6-part video training course.
How much does it cost?
It is free, but only for the first 100 participants.
Can you tell me more? Video number 1: How to uncover hidden affiliate commission gold mines.
Video number 2: How to stand out and hypnotize prospects into buying from you.
Video number 3: How to write promotional messages that will gain the attention of your prospects.
Video number 4: How to provide powerful psychological triggers for people to buy through your link.
Video number 5: How to promote using the paid and free traffic methods adopted by gurus.
Video number 6: How to implement what you learned in videos 1 to 5 to sell affiliate products online.
Find out the practical tips of selling online using free Facebook traffic. Sign up now for the free video training course.
Limited to the first 100 participants.